Hey everybody, welcome back to Stock Ventures. Today we're going to be talking about the top 3 stocks that you should keep an eye out for within the next week. The first one is PLTR. This is a big data analytics company. Basically, they make tech that helps your business think faster with a program they're announcing soon named Foundry. This tech is basically like a AI robot. It's kind of like a program, and it helps all your programs think a lot faster than they would normally. So it really speeds up production. This is definitely a stock to keep an eye out for. They have an event called Double Click Demo Day. It's coming soon, April 14th, and they're planning to unveil a lot of information of their new programs and maybe some potential partnerships. If you're wondering who they partnered with, well, you guys know some of the big names. They've partnered with a lot of big names like IBM, 3M, the United States government, and Amazon. So this is a pretty big company. They've been up and running for about 17 years. So I think it's a really great long-term play. It's not too expensive. The stock is about 22, 23 around that range right now. And that's the first one. So the next one is Mara. Mara is a digital asset technology company that mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on blockchain ecosystems and the generation of digital assets. They currently operate a proprietary data center in Hardin, Michigan. The company also owns 2,060 advanced ACIC Bitcoin miners at a co-host facility in North Dakota. Once fully developed, the company's mining fleet will consist of more than 103,000 miners. Basically, an explanation for dummies, Bitcoin and honestly cryptocurrencies in general, they are the future. You can buy a Tesla with Bitcoin already. You can even buy some things with PayPal with Bitcoin. And even Visa. Visa has even started working with Bitcoin to create like a bridge network with credit cards to be able to pay with Bitcoin credit cards in the future. So the future is bright for Bitcoin. Companies like Mara, they're miners of that Bitcoin, so their value will go up when that Bitcoin goes up. So if you believe Bitcoin is the future, then this is the company to invest in. Analysts are already making Bitcoin's future price of 1 Bitcoin. They're predicting basically that $1 million will be the value of 1 Bitcoin by 2025. It's just an analyst, so take that lightly. I think Mara is a good long-term investment, so definitely check it out. Bitcoin is the future, guys. Definitely, if you haven't already, start thinking about what cryptocurrencies you can invest in, but because it's coming fast, so be prepared for that. And lastly, the third stock is, well, there is no specific stock that I can state, just because instead of telling you about one stock, I wanted to tell you guys very quickly about the energy market. If you've been paying any attention to the news, you know that Biden's in favor of green energy. He's even introduced some infrastructure bills recently. And this means he's focused on like the electric cars, the infrastructure behind them, solar power, wind turbines, and yes, that even includes infrastructure for the green future, just like charging stations for electric cars. It's coming very soon, all that. So some quick shout outs for some green energy stocks to look at is ChargePoint, the top electric charging station stock, and SUNW. It's a solar company that would benefit from the electric future that we're heading to. So make sure to watch these stocks. There's definitely a bunch to choose from. So if you want to do a little research on your own, I definitely recommend that. Other than that, that's the top 3 stocks technically. So have a great day, and I hope you guys have a great stock venture.